It's a beautiful day in Greenwich, Connecticut. This home is in the middle of a renovation, and it's the perfect time to address something most homeowners overlook: the crawl space. When the living space above is getting brand new floors and finishes, you want to make sure the air underneath it stays dry, clean, and odor-free. That's where we come in. The homeowners called American Dry Basement Systems to install a SuperDry system, a subfloor drainage system with a sump pump station designed to keep the crawl space permanently dry. Now, let me show you how it works. We start by creating a pitch drainage trench along the perimeter. Inside that trench, we install our self-cleaning, corrugated, perforated pipe. It's designed to move water efficiently and prevent silt from building up inside the pipe. That drainage line leads directly to a sump pump station equipped with a 3/4 horsepower cast iron pump, a battery backup, and a Wi-Fi monitoring system, so the homeowners always know their pump is working. Because this crawl space has block foundation walls, we also drill weep holes into every block core. Cinder blocks have hollow cavities that can fill with water from outside pressure. By drilling weep holes, we relieve that pressure and drain those cores directly into our subfloor drainage system before it ever reaches the floor. Next comes the part that sets this system apart from any other: our proprietary SuperSlurry wall treatment. SuperSlurry isn't a paint or a surface coating. It's a crystalline cement mix that chemically reacts with the concrete. We wet the walls first because moisture activates the slurry. As soon as it's applied, SuperSlurry penetrates deep into the pores of the concrete, where it begins to grow microscopic crystals. Those crystals fill voids, seal micro cracks, and turn the wall itself into a waterproof barrier. Old, brittle, damp concrete gets stronger over time, not weaker. That's the real advantage of crystalline waterproofing. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it becomes part of the wall. We apply SuperSlurry before the liner because once the crawl space is sealed, you can't access the walls again. Treating the concrete first ensures the barrier is permanent and that moisture can never collect behind the liner. Without it, dampness would stay trapped between the wall and the plastic, causing odors and high humidity over time. Once the walls are treated and fully sealed, we move on to encapsulation. We start by fitting a heavy-duty 20mm liner from the top of the walls and about a foot out onto the floor. Next, we roll out and install the dimple-board layment, fitting it tightly from wall to wall across the entire floor. We make sure the excess wall liner sits neatly on top of the layment. Then we lay the floor liner over it and use waterproof tape to seal the joint, creating a continuous, airtight connection between the wall and the floor. This layered design directs any moisture straight into our drainage trench while creating a durable surface for easy access to plumbing, HVAC, and electrical utilities in the future. Finally, the sump pump discharges through a solid Schedule 40 PVC pipe connected to a freeze-free fixture that prevents any chance of water backing up during the winter months. From there, we transition to a 4-inch solid corrugated pipe laid inside a freshly dug trench that stretches more than 15 feet away from the foundation. That line carries water safely out to a stone field and bubbler pot where it disperses naturally underground. Once everything is tested, the trench is backfilled, compacted, and the original grass is carefully relayed over the top. By springtime, you'd never even know the ground was opened. But beneath the surface, the system is working exactly as designed. What used to be a damp, musty crawl space with poor air quality is now a clean, sealed, and conditioned environment. No standing water, no trapped humidity, no musty smell creeping into the living space above. Even the renovation contractor told us the air upstairs already smells cleaner since the installation. This is what happens when you treat the crawl space the right way from the ground up. The combination of subfloor drainage, SuperSlurry wall treatment, and full encapsulation with proper discharge ensures that this home stays dry. If you like the video, subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, if you called American Dry Basement Systems, enjoy your dry crawl space and your dry basement.